Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this very interesting combination of a tripod and selfie stick from CAMOLO. This small thing is capable to be extended up to 63 inches. That's insane. And it's not very heavy, it's rather lightweight. Of course, there are some limitations. I wouldn't recommend to use this for really large, super heavy cameras. But for like normal phones or like a GoPro or all these things, it's absolutely no problem. It's very versatile, it's sturdy, and it comes even with this phone holder and the remote control and some cleaning towel. And it comes for a very, very attractive price. The whole set, it's really amazing what we get, and I'm going to show you how you can use that. So let's open first the base or the stand here, and you can see you can quite extend it a lot. So it has a really wide foot here and a very safe stand. But the good thing, you can make it smaller. If you have some limited size here, you can make it like that, and you can even secure it here with this screw, so you don't have to fear that it opens accidentally. That's very good. You can see how safe this really is. It's really lightweight. It's made from strong aluminum. What I also like are these feet here. You can see they have some nice grip, and they are protected with some soft rubber here, so you don't have to fear that you're damaging any critical surface, and has really a very safe stand. So very flexible from the base. So let's check the top. So the trick which they are using is that the legs of the tripod are only going up to about 1 foot or so, and not to the very top, and that saves a lot of weight and also makes it much smaller to handle. This means also usually it's much more flexible when you have to go close to something, and that helps me a lot here with recording. What I also like is that we have these clips here to open everything really fast. I don't like these things which you have to screw, needs much more time. This is much easier, and you can operate this with one hand, and you can see how much you can open that. That's extreme. And close it fast, and then close everything just almost with one hand in one step. That's amazing. Then here we are on the tripod top, and this is also very flexible. The only limitation here is that the head is not rotatable 360 degrees around, independent from the base. So if you want to move this around, you have to also turn around the foot here. That's the only thing. I mean, you can mount the camera very flexible with this wheel. That's definitely possible here. By the way, we can also tilt it to the front and to the back, but definitely not, it's not like a ball joint or so. It's just 180 degrees rotatable, but we can nicely secure it here, so it has a very good hold. And now one of the best things here with this tripod is that we don't have to turn around the camera, which is always a high risk. We can just rotate this screw here underneath to secure this. This is very, very convenient and absolutely my preferred way to secure a camera, much safer than most of the other tripods. And as you can see, you can mount it in any direction. Like you can mount it like this, release it, mount it again in this direction. But of course, you can only move it like that and not in any other direction unless you move around your whole tripod with the foot. So you can see, for example, this GoPro here, latest GoPro, it has a very safe stand. You don't have to fear that it's blowing away with even strong wind or so. Yeah, maybe I can give you an impression here about the whole thing here. You can see everything really good, really safe. And here we have the phone mount, which is included. You can see how wide this is. So this even fits to the largest phones available. And it includes even a cold shoe mount on top of the camera mount, let's say for a microphone or so. And now the last item of this great package, and that's this remote control. And if you think it's difficult to use, I can tell you, no, it's actually not. We have this switch, we can turn it on, we get the blue light, and then we go into settings, Bluetooth, and then we can connect it already as a new device. I've already done this here, and you can see it's called AB Shutter 3. That's the thing here, and it's really easy to use. You don't have to download an app, you don't have to configure anything. You can just go to your smartphone app, your normal smartphone app, which is installed, and here I'm even using the iOS button. I don't know why they have two buttons. I don't see any difference, but anyway, I'm just using this one here, and you can see it works right away. I click here and instantly it will take a picture. And this definitely also works as an ultra long selfie stick. You can see how nicely and easy I can hold this just with one hand. So everything works really good. It's a really nice thing. You can see the quality. I can just push here and open and close. Really nice. There is no strange noise or so. Absolutely perfect, really high precision. And this, for this price, that's absolutely amazing. So if you are looking for something small which can easily be transported, I think it doesn't get any better than that with this quality for this price and all the features which we get. So I'm super happy with it. I can highly recommend it, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.